Blip versus AirDrop, which file sharing app is better? Choosing the right file sharing app can completely change how you transfer files quickly without frustrating delays. Here we compare Blip and AirDrop, two popular options for seamless sharing. Blip and AirDrop are both designed to transfer files wirelessly, but they differ in platform compatibility and technology. AirDrop is exclusive to Apple devices using Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, while Blip offers cross-platform sharing with cloud integration. Blip is a versatile file sharing app that supports multiple platforms including iOS, Android, and Windows. It works by connecting devices through a cloud-based system, allowing users to send files without relying on direct device proximity. Blip's strengths lie in its cross-platform compatibility and the ability to share large files securely using encrypted cloud storage. This makes it ideal for users who need to transfer files between different operating systems or over longer distances. However, Blip requires an internet connection and account registration, which may be a limitation for quick offline transfers. Its user interface is designed for simplicity, making it accessible for both casual and professional users who want reliable file sharing beyond the Apple ecosystem. AirDrop is Apple's proprietary file sharing feature built into iOS and macOS devices. It uses a combination of Bluetooth and peer-to-peer Wi-Fi to create a direct, fast, and secure connection between Apple devices in close proximity. AirDrop excels at instant transfers without needing an internet connection or cloud storage. Its integration into the Apple ecosystem ensures a seamless experience with minimal setup, making it perfect for users heavily invested in Apple products. The main limitation is its exclusivity to Apple devices, which restricts sharing to non-Apple users. Additionally, AirDrop requires devices to be physically near each other, which can be inconvenient for remote transfers. Its strength is simplicity and speed for quick local file sharing among Apple users. When comparing Blip and AirDrop, the choice depends on your device ecosystem and transfer needs. AirDrop is unbeatable for fast, local transfers between Apple devices without internet, perfect for quick sharing of photos or documents in the same room. Blip, on the other hand, shines with its cross-platform support and cloud-based transfers, making it suitable for sharing files across different devices and locations. If you need to send large files to someone on Android or Windows, Blip is the better option. However, it requires internet access and account setup, unlike AirDrop's instant peer-to-peer connection. Both offer secure transfers, but AirDrop's offline capability and native integration make it the go-to for Apple users, while Blip provides flexibility for mixed device environments. AirDrop is recommended for users fully within the Apple ecosystem who want quick, secure, and offline file sharing between nearby devices. Blip is the better choice for those needing cross-platform compatibility and cloud-based sharing over distances. Its flexibility suits mixed device users and remote transfers. Choose based on your devices and sharing habits to maximize convenience.